Hey everyone, welcome back! If you're thinking about selling online and trying to choose between Shopify and Etsy, this video will help you see how they differ and which one might be the better fit for what you want to do. First off, Etsy is a marketplace. It's like a big online fair full of makers, artists, vintage sellers, and craftspeople. When you list on Etsy, your products are shown alongside many others under Etsy's domain, and people who browse Etsy can discover your shop without you doing all of the traffic work. That built-in audience is a big plus if you're just starting out or selling a few unique items. Shopify, on the other hand, gives you your own standalone online store. You pick your domain name, design your site, control your branding, your layout, your navigation, everything. Because of that, Shopify gives you much more flexibility and control to grow a brand long-term. One of the biggest trade-offs is cost and fees. Etsy has lower upfront cost. You don't need to pay a monthly subscription, unless you go for Etsy's optional upgrade just to list items. There are fees for listing items, and each time you sell, Etsy takes a transaction fee plus payment processing fees. You do pay a monthly subscription for your store, plus transaction or processing fees, especially if not using Shopify's own payments. But once your store and sales volume grow, Shopify often becomes more cost-effective for scaling, because you avoid many of the marketplace-style fees that Etsy charges per listing or per transaction. Another big difference is marketing, traffic, and visibility. With Etsy, traffic is partly built in. People who go to Etsy looking for handmade or vintage items may find you simply because you're there. But with Shopify, you'll need to drive your own traffic through SEO, social media, ads, blogs, partnerships, because your store isn't part of a marketplace. That requires more effort. But it also means you own the connection with your customers. Branding is another area where Shopify stands out. On Shopify, you can make your store look exactly how you want. You control the layout, the theme, the fonts, colors, where things appear, the checkout flow. Etsy has restrictions. Your shop page must follow Etsy's design. You have less ability to customize. And your brand identity is more intermingled with Etsy's branding. If you sell small volume handmade goods, one-off items, or want to test ideas without heavy cost or risk, Etsy is a great place to start. If you're looking to build something more scalable, want full control, want to grow your brand, maybe eventually sell large volumes or through multiple channels, Shopify is likely the better long-term option. In many cases, people use both. They sell on Etsy to tap into its marketplace and audience, while also having a Shopify store to create their brand presence and own their customer base. That combo can work well. Etsy for visibility, Shopify for ownership.